Roatan. I'm Chris Inger, this is Sophia Fadio, and we're your Roatan Realtors. Today we're in the beautiful Lawson Rock.
Wow, take this in. Isn't it wonderful?
It is absolutely stunning here. We have this great community dock, and we are really enjoying the breeze and the amazing views.
So Lawson Rock is a gated community here in Sandy Bay, Roatan, and there are so many wonderful things about the amenities here in this community, including this wonderful swimming and snorkeling dock that's just seriously like a short swim away to the reef. You've got a community marina for boat slips, three pools. You have the wonderful condos here that inside the condos there is a deli, and then we've got some lovely homes.
And don't forget 24-hour security.
24-hour security as well, yes. So, and that's on top of these miles of white sand beaches.
It's fantastic here. I hope you guys join us at our condo today.
So today we're going to go to MLS 2021. It's listed at $285,000, and we hope you follow us inside.
Welcome, come on in. This is such a great entry. We've got this nice round entry and a half bath right off the entrance.
Wonderful for guests and entertaining.
It's really beautiful. Nice details throughout the entire house with the ceiling. It's really great.
And I love the artwork. A lot of local artists are featured here.
Yes, we can tell somebody likes to dive.
Let's go on inside.
So right off the hallway here, we do have a nice laundry facility, which we should always talk about because it's nice to have your own private laundry. Lots of storage, which is great.
And then you step on into this large chef's kitchen.
Wow, look at this. This is really beautiful. It's really large, a lot of granite, which is really nice and easy to maintain and stays clean.
Mahogany cabinets as well throughout.
Really nice. And we've got GE, looks like appliances, which is great.
All imported appliances. So this is just ready for you to move in and come and enjoy.
This is really a turnkey unit, and you've got really nice high-end furnishings. You can tell that they've really taken some personal touches here. They've really liked it.
They've just recently redecorated this entire unit with new furnishings, new paint, so everything is just fresh and new, and it's quite lovely. They did such a great job decorating.
They did, they really did. So you have your little office nook there, you've got plenty of dining space here, and of course you've got this nice, really big living space, which is really great. I mean, it feels, you have really high ceilings, so it feels light and bright, even though we're not, right on the beachfront. But you've got a beautiful view, you've got tropical gardens, and we can see a little bit. We've got a plunge pool right off the deck.
So this is a private plunge pool just for these owners, and once again, it's not a beachfront unit, but you are just steps away from the beach. Literally, it's a 2-minute walk, and you've got all that beach frontage.
Which is perfect, because it is super quiet here. We don't hear anything other than chirping of
birds.
Exactly.
So let's go see the master, because this is quite spectacular, and then we'll take you guys outside to see.
Perfect. I've heard rumors that it's really a large master.
This is a very spacious master. Once again, brand new furnishings throughout, new paint, and you do have a little, you have access to the pool, but you also have a little balcony here where you can have your morning coffee.
Oh, that's really nice. You could really open everything up and get a nice little breeze and some fresh air as well.
Absolutely. And this is a great size.
It really is. You've got a king-size bed here. You have space for a little lounge chair. You can really relax in here. And if you've got a couple friends over, if you needed some privacy, you've got plenty of space.
Absolutely. And then you have a walk-in closet here, which is quite spacious. So you can have an area to lock off your belongings when you're not here, if you wanted to rent it out. And if not, it's just a great size.
That's really true, because this is a great area for long-term or short-term vacation rentals. Don't you think?
It is. It's great. And there's on-site management right here in Lawson Rock.
Oh,
so it makes it just so much easier.
Oh, that's really nice, because we're only about an 8-minute drive down to West End.
Right. So you're close to West End. West Bay is only about a 20-minute drive. So you have nightlife, you have amenities. There's all kinds of wonderful things really at your fingertips here.
Gotta love that. Should we take a look at that master bath?
That master bath is something else. Let's go see it.
Oh, wow. It's a 5-piece.
So I really like it because this bathtub is something to write home about.
That is quite nice. And you've got a his and her sink. You have a nice big shower and a toilet closet. It's really lovely They've done a nice job in here. Good maintenance.
Very nice. High-end finishes. They did a really great job. So let's go see that outdoor living space. So we're just cutting right back through the living space, the dining, and then the living area. And then you have this wonderful outdoor living space. So you've got a great patio right here.
This would be a great place for barbecues.
Right?
And I can see where we are going to end up.
Right here. Lounging poolside.
Lounging poolside. We like that. Well, this is a beautiful place. Absolutely stunning.
So once again, let's just talk a little bit more. This is a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom condo. We're listed here at $285,000, and this is just over 2,500 square feet. So
it's large.
It's large. It's a lot of
place.
Space. And the other thing is that you do have HOA and COA fees here. So at first it might seem a little high. You're at about $9,700 per year for the HOA and the COA fees, but that includes everything. So for the condos, it includes the insurance, it includes internet and cable, it includes pool maintenance, it includes the on-site property management that's here at your fingertips, and it includes the beach, the pools, the dock maintenance, all of that.
And there's even a little gym here.
There is a gym upstairs, yeah. So a lot of great things.
Sorry, it also includes building exterior maintenance, correct?
Exactly. So the painting and, you know, the tiles and all of that are included.
And it also includes all your pool maintenance. So that also should be discussed, because if your pool pump breaks, they take care of it. When it needs to have retiling, they take care of it. They also clean your pool, which is fantastic, and they keep these manicured gardens.
Right, and the gardens are quite lush and lovely, but once again, you don't want to be cleaning your pool when you're on vacation.
No.
That's just not something you want. So they have some great guys to do that for you.
Fantastic. Let's take a look.
And this is a pretty great sized pool, don't you think?
It is. Perfect. And of course, we have a little waterfall.
Ooh. Lovely.
I hope you guys enjoyed the tour today.
Bye.
We'll see you soon.